Guys, Matt V's Movies back for another video, and this time we're looking at the last remaining editions of my DC EU collection. I'm going to be showing 3 editions of the Suicide Squad that I have and 1 edition of Birds of Prey. First is I believe this was an Italian digibook edition of the Suicide Squad. So a nice lenticular of all the main characters here, and then on the back it's got a nice image of the death, I suppose, with the scythe. And then inside we've got the Blu-ray theatrical version and the extended cut. And then just to show you, just some images inside. Again, very similar to the digibooks I've shown in my previous videos, just of all the main characters. I really enjoyed this film. I know it didn't really do that well, and a lot of people didn't think it was that great, but I thought it was entertaining. You know, all the costumes and the characters, a lot of them we hadn't seen before, and Jared Leto's Joker, very different to obviously Heath Ledger and all the other Jokers that we've seen with Jack Nicholson and Joaquin Phoenix. So yeah, and obviously we've got Margot Robbie there as the Harley Quinn, which again she's got her own kind of spin-off film as Birds of Prey, which I'll come to in a bit. So there's all the main characters there. Okay, so here we have the HD Zeta Edition with a nice lenticular on the front with all the main characters. This was limited to 1,000 copies. My copy is 182. And you got the top, spine, the back, a nice image of the Joker, and if it's picking it up, there's some real nice sort of textured finish and spot gloss on his jacket there, which is quite nice. Now, when I got this edition off eBay, it didn't actually contain the Steelbook, so I've actually put my UK 3D Steelbook in there that I purchased when the film was released, and just added it to this collection. So yeah, there we go. So this is the 3D edition that we got in the UK. Some different artwork on here. Quite busy artwork this, but seeing all the main characters. The 15 certificates are removable. I just haven't got around to removing those. And again, there's that image again that we saw on the digibook. And then just on the inside, we've got I've got the 3D disc in there, which came with the original release. Extended cut on Blu-ray, and I've actually incorporated the 4K disc, which I picked up. And I'll just take the discs out and show the inner artwork. Okay, so disc removed, and then we've got some nice inner artwork. Obviously got all the cast members and production and all the rest of it on the inside there. There we go. So contained within that HD Zeta set is this sort of pamphlet. Nice spot gloss on there. On the back, just sort of multicoloured. And then on the inside, you get a card. See my number 182 with the Joker there. Then contained within it, that was just a promotional leaflet that we got when the film came out on Blu-ray. And some nice art cards. Killer Croc, quite liked him as a character. I thought he was quite good. I don't think he's in the new film that's going to be coming out. And again, I did see the trailer for that, and yeah, it looks fun. Some different characters this time. There's a few key characters from obviously this film back in it, but yeah, it's nice to see that there's going to be some different characters in the new film. And yeah, I thought the presentation on this film was really good. 3D was pretty good, and obviously the 4K disc is a nice presentation as well. And also we get a booklet, and then just on the inside just some different images again from the film. So there we go. The final edition of the Suicide Squad collection that I have. I think this was another HD Zeta. A nice lenticular on the front there. Contains a book and some art cards, which I'll get out in a minute. And a nice image there of Will Smith as the Deadshot, I think it was. That was a good character. I don't think he's in the new film, which is a shame because I thought he was quite good. Just some spot gloss on the top there, I think. There's no number with this. There's just a spine. These are the lenticular art cards that contain within this set. Nice one of the Joker there. And each one gets its own envelope. Nice artwork on there. They're all plain on the back. Lovely Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn. Nice, lot of depth to these. Boomerang. He was a good character. Temptress. Yeah, I thought she could have. Yeah, I'm not sure about that character really. It was okay, but didn't really kind of seem much of a threat really in the film. Killer Croc. Oh, I like this guy. I thought he was cool. I see this guy played RoboCop in the remake. I quite enjoyed that actually. I know a lot of people didn't think much to that, but I've got some editions of that I'll show in a later video. There's his envelope logo. This guy was pretty cool as well. Obviously now to set fire to things, and you know, yeah, it was a cool character. Diablo, that was it. There we go. Lastly contained in this set, a nice hardback book. Again, similar artwork as what we've already seen. Well, same artwork. And again, this is just kind of a sort of book, pretty much the same as that digibook, to be honest, that I've shown. Again, just with all the different characters. So again, all this kind of thing, you know, all the work that goes into modelling these characters is just amazing. This guy with his tats, pretty good. So overall, yeah, it wasn't the greatest film by any means, but I still enjoyed it. It's quite cool. You know, it is what it is. Be interested to see what they do with the next film in The Suicide Squad, as I think it's called. Yeah. So there we go, guys. The final film in my DC EU collection is the Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. What a mouthful that is. Yeah, I mean, I thought this film was okay. I went into it with very low expectations, and yeah, it was entertaining. I didn't mind it. Again, wasn't the best, but you know, I don't. With these comic book films, I just take them as a bit of fun. You know, just a bit of escapism for a couple of hours, and yeah, you know, I enjoyed it. We've got the back, nice artwork. Inside, we've got the 4K disc and the Blu-ray. There's no 3D of this that I can remember. Just take the discs out. Then we have Harley Quinn there, and just going with a promotional flyer, and the J card, just sort of with the special features and the specs. And again, I mean, the disc on this is top notch. It's got great sound and Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. So yeah, entertaining. So guys, that concludes my collection of DC EU movies that I have so far. I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos that I've shown over the past couple of weeks. Okay, well, take care guys. See you in the next one. Bye.